This is what we're going to draw. So let's make a kind of a shape for what this card is going to look like. It's going to be a landscape kind of card like that. Let's get that in the middle. And then we're going to want our little cabin in the woods right in the middle like that. So we can draw a line across, and then we want to have our roof is going to be triangular and across, and that will be triangular too, like that. And then we'll get the chimney will come down, so we want that same angle coming down across that angle there. That's going up and up like that. So that's the chimney. And then we'll have fence and the path and the hills in the background. So I'm going to draw a bit of snow along the top there. So we're going above the line of the drawing that we've done in pencil, and then that's going to come down there and around there like that, and we'll get up and across and down, across and down like that. We can sort of put some stone slate kind of effect kind of thing in there, and we'll have maybe a couple of chimneys, and we'll have a bit of smoke coming out of one of them like that. So this is going to kind of go outside the drawing, and then we can come all the way around and sort of create a unified kind of drawing. Now we're going to draw the snow on top of the cabin. So we want to go outside the lines that we've drawn and then come up sort of inside there. And we're on the inside of the line here. We're coming down below that line, and on the outside of the line we drew for the roof. I'm going to draw a door in here, and I'm going to draw a lintel over the top, and then two lines coming down either side. So then we can draw that and two lines, and then this is the corner of the house, two lines coming down the end of the house, two lines coming down, and here we can draw two lines coming down, and then we've got the window ledge like that. I'm trying to remember what it's called. And we can have kind of an inside there like that, and then we can just flick those window panes in there like that. And then here, let's put a Christmas wreath on the door, on the doorknob. So now we've got that, then we can draw the fence. So we want two lines going across there, and two lines a little bit lower going across there like that. And then we want to draw the palings. So they'll be going, you can draw it the other way, so you could draw these first and then draw the two lines behind it. This is a bit boring, so I'm going through this. I'll speed this up and I'll see you on the other side. There, how did you get on with that? It's quite a lot to do, isn't it? So you can maybe do some little bits of snow like that. So we want the snow sort of covering the house part there, and then we'll have a kind of a jiggy jaggy kind of line there for the path, and we're going to draw slightly curved lines like that for the path. And here we're going to have some kind of lumpy bits of snow like that. So they're just little curves, and it's lumpy because we've got bits of grass sticking out, things like that. And then nice and easy, we're going to draw two hills in the background, and we're going to put a forest. Okay, so this is a design of forest, so it's just a zigzag of triangles like that, going up and down, up and down, up and down, up that. And then we can put a few little extra sort of pine trees, Christmas trees in there like that. Put another one there like that, and like that, and then maybe some smaller ones like that, and a little one and a little one. When you are absolutely sure that the ink is dry, you can erase those pencil lines, and people will say, how did you do that? Did you do that so accurately and so cleverly? They'll be really impressed. And then we're going to do the door. So this is made out of planks, so they can go up and down like that. Up and down, and then you want to put the planks of the cabin going horizontally like that. And they'll be coming down like that, all across there. And then the same is going on the side of the house. It's all planks. In between those upright posts. If you wanted, you could maybe have a couple of birds flying in the background. Then all you need to do is colour it in. Like this video and subscribe to Draw Stuff Real Easy. See you next time.